I finally perfected this recipe!
Look what I discovered! Knowledge grows when we share it. Every day we learn something new. Something feels different.
Oh. I forgot how I made this bread.
I don't understand.
The recipe.
It is happening everywhere. The people are forgetting what they learned. Recipes vanished. Ideas disappeared. Even friendships felt new again. Every morning. Pythonia began from the beginning. Everything was gone when the reset arrived. Byte refused to give up. If ink disappeared, maybe carved words could survive. Even carved words disappeared. So Byte searched for another place to hide knowledge.
Byte carried the books away from the desk. Maybe hidden secrets could survive the reset. Even hidden secrets disappeared. But Byte refused to surrender. Then noticed something impossible. A distant mountain untouched by the reset could not touch the mountain. And for the first time, we might finally find an answer.